For creative people, laptops and computers have become part of their careers, especially for photo and video editing. It's also important to have a quality laptop that does a great job showing how great your work is. Many brands of laptops offer great specs, all of which are great for photo editing. Besides, today's laptop is a necessary device for editors who want to do their most creative and best work. We'll continue with our top picks for the best laptops for photo editing in 2023. If you want more information, check links given in the description box. Okay, let's start with the video. If you're looking for a laptop that performs well and is great for photo editing, the Razer Blade 15 is #1 choice for you. For photo editing, the 10th Gen Intel Core i7 10750Hz CPU features 6 cores and can run at speeds up to 5.0 GHz. Equipped with 1 TB SSD and 16 GB RAM. This NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti graphics is blazingly fast, perfect for creative projects like the latest video games and photo editing. The CNC aluminum unibody frame is extremely durable and packs a lot of power into a small footprint, while being only 0.78 inches thick. Razer's Blade 15 is the first laptop with a 240Hz OLED 15-inch FHD, 360Hz 165Hz display. It also has a webcam, wireless AC, Bluetooth 5, 2 USB Type-A ports, and 2 USB Type-C ports. The Razer Blade 15 is a great option for those wondering if they're looking for a quality editor's laptop. Our next pick is the Apple MacBook Pro. This is designed for professionals looking for a great laptop for photo editing. Equipped with an Apple M1 Pro or M1 Max chip, the speed of CPU, GPU, and machine learning will be greatly improved. A CPU with up to 10 cores can complete professional tasks such as mass production up to 3.7x faster. Up to 32-core GPUs and a 13x speed boost for use in graphics-intensive software like photo editing. Equipped with 1 TB SSD and 16 GB RAM. The stunning 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display provides an extreme dynamic range and contrast ratio. The 1080p FaceTime HD camera features an advanced image signal processor for clearer video calls. The Apple MacBook Pro is one of the best quality laptops you can buy today. The Microsoft Surface Pro in third place, for beginners looking to buy a good laptop for photo editing. Microsoft Surface Pro, powered by 11th Gen Intel Core processors, gives you the speed and power to do whatever you want, big or small. Bring your movies to life while editing photos with Omnisonic speakers and Dolby Atmos 6. Available in 2 sizes, a compact and lightweight 13.5-inch model and a 15-inch model that can monitor 2 devices simultaneously. Equipped with 256 GB SSD and 16 GB RAM and a detachable keyboard. 2880 by 1920 pixels, maximum screen resolution Intel UHD graphics display with a 13-inch touchscreen. The front-facing 720p HD camera allows you to capture clear videos and images even in low light. If you're a creative or professional looking for the best laptop for Photoshop, Lenovo Legion 5 comes in at #4. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800Hz processor improves editing by letting you work faster with up to 8 high-performance cores, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and 512 GB of NVMe SSD storage. At the heart of the Legion AI engine, Legion ColdFront 3.0 and Q Control are running at their best. When you buy this laptop, you get a 15.6-inch Full HD display. It runs up to 165 Hz, has a 3 millisecond response time, and 100% RGB. Editors can get a lot of performance out of the good-looking and easy-to-use Legion 5 laptop. The Lenovo Legion 5 is a good option for those looking for a great laptop for photoshopping. At the end of this video, for students who need a quality laptop with photo editing capabilities, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 is a perfect choice. Equipped with a Core i3-10110U processor, 16 GB DDR4 2000, 666 MHz RAM, and a 1 TB SSD hard drive, the Lenovo ThinkPad E15 notebook laptop is perfect for any type of business. on the other hand, has a fixed focus microphone. As a bonus, the Iris Xe graphics are integrated into Intel's processors and act as UHD graphics for increased processing speed. High-definition HD 720-pixel webcam, Think shutter privacy cover, fingerprint reader, backlit splash-proof US English keyboard, Bluetooth 5.0, Dolby Atmos speaker system, 4x360-degree far-field microphones. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 is a good choice if you're looking for a great photo editing laptop for students.